Hey everybody, back with another driver seat box breaks. This is box 2 of 4 of this score from Facebook Marketplace. This is just another second deal of the day, I guess we'll call it. Had the Donruss earlier, 6-part series. You'll see that posted already by the time this one's up. So this is 1990. We take the first 2 packs off the top. Everybody knows the rules. I don't really care, but it's actually helps keep it consistent. There we go. I'm going to open these with my teeth. Alright, sorry you had to hear that. Get some trash out of here. Here we go. Bob Walk. Alejandro Pena. Joe Orsulak. Oh. Ken Hill. Jay Howell. Mickey Tettleton. Oh. Got our MVPs NL69 Magic Motion card. Hey, there's a Mitch Williams from the Cubs. This is like their play on the Tiffany, is right? The Dream Team. Yeah, these are the Dream Team cards. Mike Bielecki. Obi McDowell. Bob Guerin. Jeff Robinson, John Costello, Jesse Orosco, Keith Miller, and Ryan Sandberg. We like that. Tim Jones. All right, I'm going to put you up here while I move those aside. We'll get into pack 2 so I don't drop everything on the floor of my truck. All right, here we go. Pack 2. Oh, I ate a piece of that pack. All right, Charlie Leibrandt. Got somebody stuck to him. It's Tommy Gregg. Darnell Coles. Clay Parker. Doc Gooden. I'll put Doc up there. Oh, I like what I see back there. MVP is 31. Hey, there's my Frank Thomas. One of my favorite players growing up. I played first base. He played first base. That's the man I wanted to be. Oh, man, look at that. Frank Thomas, first base. First round pick card. All right, Deion James. Jose Rijo. Tim Teufel. Randy Myers. Jeff Ballard. Oh. John Dobson. Tim Jones again. Kurt Schilling. Oh. 1990 rookie. Yeah, but he wasn't a rookie for the Orioles. Wally Whitehurst. 1990 rookie. Oh yeah, Kurt Schilling was a rookie with the Orioles. I don't know why I always think he stopped somewhere before us. Yep. Very cool. Like that. Obviously, this is the big haul for today. Everybody should be excited. Who was your favorite player growing up? Post it in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. We've still got a 1990 Upper Deck and a 93 Tops coming up.